Good to see you here. I've had mornings where my coffee wasn't strong enough but the sound was, because of Flexus CORE 210. You don't pick this because you want okay sound. You pick this because you've sat through movies, music, and games and felt like something was missing. You know that stir in your chest when the beat really drops or when the dialogue feels alive. Before anything else, check the current price and stock. Systems with this kind of immersive audio and wireless sub don't wait around. You know that moment when your old setup sounded fine, but your brain said there's more here? You hit play, and instead of being pulled in, you felt like you were listening from across the room. That tiny gap, between what the creators intended and what you actually heard, was the moment you knew it was time to leave compromise behind. When you power on the Flexus CORE 210 for the first time, it doesn't shout. It raps. Atmos high channels make rain sound like it's above you, explosions like they're around you, and every whisper feels lived in. That wireless 10 inches sub doesn't rattle the walls, it anchors the whole experience with depth you feel. Once you've lived with that, anything flat just reminds you of what you were missing. Imagine watching your favorite film and actually hearing the room come alive. Not just louder, bigger. Imagine your playlists turning your living room into a private concert hall where bass hits hard but stays clean, and vocals are so clear you almost expect the artist to start playing live. Gaming? Footsteps feel directional, explosions feel present, and every moment feels more intense because your ears finally get everything they deserve. If you're dragging your feet because you think maybe waiting for something slightly newer or slightly cheaper might be better, notice this: every time you look at other options, you come right back to what actually gives you experience. That's because once you've felt real immersive audio, going back to bland sound feels like a step backward you don't want to make again. One thing almost no one talks about until they live with it? The way the sub integrates without needing tangled wires everywhere. The room stays clean, the sound stays full, and you don't have to fight cable clutter to get deep, controlled bass. It just works, and you feel that ease every time you use it. You move into every scene, you feel presence instead of distance, you hear detail you missed before, you enjoy music with real impact, you trust your system fully. It's not tiny on punch, it's not complicated to set up eventually. All the endless comparison loops just slow you down. You know what good sound feels like because you've lived with ordinary gear. You know what immersive feels like because you've experienced it. At some point you stop chasing specs and start choosing what feels right. And this is that. So if you're ready to stop watching from the edges of your media and start living in it, check the price, check the stock, and make the decision that your future self will thank you for. Flexus CORE 210 is ready, and you're ready for this.